Okay, so this is for the next year. We have this an astronaut unit 3. So this is our methodology. So the first we will have this for warm up. Untuk pemanasan kita punya ini nih, warm up. So match the pictures to the names of school subjects. Which of the subjects are often called science? Nah, di sini kita ada beberapa mata pelajaran nih. Ada art, biology, chemistry, history, literature, and physics. Okay, now you can match the subjects with the picture. Jadi subjects itu mata pelajaran ya. Jadi ada mata pelajaran di sini, and then you have to match with the picture. Number one, two, three, four, five, six. One, two, three, four, five, six. Ada 6 nih. And then now you can say it if you want to try. Kira-kira yang mana nih? Which one is art, biology, chemistry, history, literature, or physics? Ada yang mau mencoba di sini? Number one, two, three, four, five, six. We have six. Who wants to try? Ada yang mau mencoba duluan di sini?
Sasha.
Okay, Shasha, which one?
Number 5,
Number five. Okay.
literature.
Okay, that's good. So number five, it's literature. That's correct. Benar banget. Ini adalah literature. Okay, next.
Sarah,
Okay, Tara, which one?
number 6,
Number six. So what is it?
art.
Art. Okay, so number six, it's art. Seni. Okay, that's good. That is art. Okay, we have four left. Tinggal empat nih. Number one, two, three, four. Siapa yang mau coba selanjutnya?
Nisha.
Ilham.
Oke, oke, Nisha dulu baru Ilham ya. Oke, the first, Nisha.
Number 3,
Number three. So number three, what is it?
history.
History. Okay, so that's for number three. We have history. Oke, boleh banget. This is for history. Sejarah. Oke, next, Ilham.
Yes,
Oke, what's number?
number 4.
Number one. Okay, please.
Number 4, number 4.
Number four. Okay, please.
Number 4 is basic. Basic.
Physics.
Yes.
Okay, so that is a little bit incorrect. Agak kurang tepat nih. Jadi ini kelihatannya ada cairan-cairan ya. Kira-kira mereka belajar tentang apa nih?
Oh, biologi, biologi.
Biologi? Oke, kayaknya biologi agak kurang tepat nih. Selain biologi, so that is a little bit incorrect. Agak kurang tepat. Kira-kira yang mana nih? Gambarnya agak mirip-mirip ya, tapi bukan. It is not biology. So what is it?
Art.
Art? Oke, art udah nih. Jadi art udah, and then literature
Chemistry.
udah, and then history udah. Okay, that's good. So number four, the answer is
Chemistry.
chemistry. Oke, that's chemistry. Chemistry itu kimia ya, dari kimia. Oke, sepertinya SMP belum ada kimia ya, atau sudah ada? Oke, Ilham, di sekolahnya ada kimia nggak?
Belum ada.
Belum ada ya, jadi IPA aja ya, fisika,
Ah,
biologi.
sama biologi. Ya.
Oke, ada fisika sama biologi. Oke, next, number one and number two. Who wants to try? Ada yang mau mencoba untuk nomor satu dan nomor dua di sini? Tinggal physics and biology. Oke, karena semuanya udah mencoba menjawab nih. Jadi this for the first, number one, the answer is this is physics. Jadi ya, fisika nih. Jadi kelihatan kalau mereka sedang belajar tentang kelistrikan nih. There's electricity. So the first, the answer is physics. And then the second, we have this. So that is about plant, kira tentang tumbuhan nih. So it is about biology. Nah, ini bisa belajar tentang photosynthesis. Biology. Okay, that's good. So that is about this part. Next, we will continue to part B, answer this question. So we have two questions here. Which of the lessons in the photos look most interesting, boring, or unusual to you? And number two, which school subject do you like or don't you like, and why? Nah, jadi di sini nih ada dua pertanyaan. Which of lessons in the photos most look interesting, boring, or unusual? Boleh pilih salah satu nih, yang interesting, boring, atau yang nggak biasa, unusual. For you, buat kalian nih. And number two, which school subjects do you like or don't you like? Yang kamu suka atau yang nggak kamu suka nih. Dan alasannya, why? Nah, semuanya bakal kebagian menjawab ya. You can choose number one and number two. Jadi jawab dua-duanya. If you want to try, you can say it. Ada yang mau coba duluan? Who wants to try? Kalau nggak ada, I will call you by your name. How about Nisha? You wanna try, Nisha? Nisha? Oke, Nisha masih belum. Tara, mau coba?
Ya,
Oke, please.
ini semuanya.
Ya, semuanya.
Unsur itu apa? Alasan.
Unusual itu nggak biasa atau aneh. Atau nggak biasa deh, nggak biasa.
Oh. Number one, which of the lessons in the photos look most interesting, boring, unusual to you? Ini semuanya interesting, boring,
Boleh pilih
unusual.
salah satu, interesting, boring, or unusual. Pilih interesting, boring, or unusual.
The most boring is biology
Biology. Why?
because I can get it atau paham nggak
Oh,
paham
you didn't get about the lesson. Mungkin belum paham gitu ya materinya.
ya.
Okay, so that is the first biology. And then the second part.
Number two, which school subject do or don't you like? Why? I like art because it's my hobby.
Oh, your hobby is art, so you can draw?
Little bit.
Okay, little bit. Okay, that's good. Nice try. Okay, that's good. Thank you very much, Tara. Okay, so that is the first from Tara. Ada yang mau coba selanjutnya? Or Ilham, you wanna try?
Yes.
Okay, please.
Which of the lessons in the photos look most interesting, boring, unusual to you?
Okay, interesting, boring, or unusual?
And interesting.
Interesting. So what is it?
Interesting is fisika
Physics. Okay, why? Alasannya?
karena
Karena.
IPA campur matematika.
Okay, that's good answer. And then for number two?
Which school subjects do you like? I like fisika.
Okay, so that is the similar with number one.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So you like physics, physical. That's good, Ilham. Thank you very much, Ilham. Okay, so that is the first from, and the second from Ilham. Next, siapa yang mau coba?
Sasha.
Shasha? Okay, please.
Yeah. Number one, which of the lessons in the photo look most interesting, boring, unusual to you? More boring. The most boring is history.
History. Okay, why?
Because I don't know, it's boring.
Okay, you don't like history?
I don't like it.
Okay, so you just keep going on. Tetap lihat ke depan ya.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, that's good. That is good reason. Next, number two.
Number two, which school subjects don't you like? I don't like physics. Actually, I love it, but I don't like it because it has many formulas to write it down.
Oh, but you can remember the form.
Yeah,
Oh, that's good. Okay, that is the reason.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Thank you very much, Shasha. Okay, so that's from Shasha. Next, we have Nisha. Nisha. Okay, please. Oke, gimana Nisha? Oke, suaranya Nisha kecil nih. Boleh agak dekat ke mikrofon. Oke, Nisha, I can listen to your voice. Masih belum bisa denger nih. Oke, mungkin bisa di mute terus di unmute ya. Coba, Nisha. You can try it.
Hello.
Oke, it's clear. Oke, you can try it, Nisha.
Which of the lessons in the photos look most interesting, boring, or unusual to you?
Oh, which one? Interesting, boring, or unusual?
I think that art is quite interesting.
Okay, you choose art. So why do you like art?
Because I like expressing myself through art.
Oh, that's good. You like expressing yourself by art. Okay, that's good answer. And then for number two,
Which school subjects do you?
okay,
I
which
like literature
literature? Why?
because we get to read a lot and I love reading.
Oh, you love reading. Okay, that's good habit. You love reading. That's great. So thank you very much, Nisha, for trying number one and two. Okay, so that is about this part. Good job. Thank you, Tara, Ilham, Shasha, and Nisha for trying this. So that is for warm up. Yeah. Okay, we'll move to the next. We will have this. Okay, we'll watch the video and then you will answer this. We have three multiple choices. Jadi nanti akan ada tiga aja nih. Oh, this is not multiple choices. Listen again and tick all the correct answers. Jadi nanti ditebak ini. Yang jawabannya yang benar mana aja nih. Nanti ada where do astronauts get oxygen from? Ada they take it from Earth, they take it from space, and they make it. Number two, what do they need protection from? Low temperature, high temperature, high air pressure, lack of air pressure, and solar radiation. And number three, what protects them? The spacecraft, the space suits. Nah, di sini nanti jawabannya bisa lebih dari satu nih. Jadi kira-kira nanti berdasarkan bacaannya yang mana. Okay, now we will listen to the video together. Kita akan melihat videonya bersama-sama. Videonya pendek kok. This is short video. Kenapa pecah-pecah? Let's move to this.
That video was great. I totally want to go into space.
You're gonna need to pack some things. Have you got a list?
No, but I have some ideas. I'll need food, water, what else?
You might want to take along some oxygen.
Oxygen! I always forget about oxygen.
Most people forget about oxygen until they don't have it. Without oxygen, there'd be no way to breathe in space. But you'd also need a way to create more oxygen to take with you.
Astronauts today bring their own oxygen or create it from water using a process called water electrolysis.
You'll also need protection from solar radiation, extreme high and low temperatures, and a lack of pressure in space.
That's what spacesuits and spaceships are for. Okay, so maybe I'm not quite ready to go to space.
Are you ready to check out another awesome video?
Definitely.
Okay, so that's about the short video. Nah, tadi durasinya cuma 42 seconds. Okay, now, do you find the answer? Udah ketemu jawabannya belum? For number one, two, three. Okay, sorry. Wait, let me. Okay, so now, if you want to try, You can raise your hand. Ada yang mau mencoba menjawab di sini for number one, two, or number three? Ada yang mau mencoba menjawab? Hmm. Where do astronauts get oxygen from? Jadi di mana ya astronotnya bisa dapat oksigen? Apakah they take it from Earth, they take it from space, or they make it? Oke, jawabannya bisa lebih dari satu nih. Oke, Nisha, you wanna try number one, two, or three?
Number three.
Number three. Okay, please read it.
What protects them? It's the spacesuits.
Spacesuit. Only this.
Only spacecraft.
So the answer is two.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So the answers are two. Jawabannya dua nih. The spacecraft and space suits. Okay, that's good. Perfect. Thank you very much, Nisha. Okay, that is from here we have Nisha. Okay, now the next. Siapa yang mau coba selanjutnya? We have number one and number two. Nomor satu sama nomor dua nih. Who wants to try? Who wants to try?
Tara,
Okay, Tara. Which one?
number one.
Number one. Okay, please.
Where do astronauts get oxygen from? A.
Mhm.
They take it from Earth.
Okay, only one.
I think, yeah.
Okay, the answer is A and C ya. Jawabannya dua. Jadi tadi ada yang dua nih. So, ada juga yang tadi water electrolysis. Apa tadi? Pokoknya bisa membuatnya dengan water. Tadi ada penjelasannya tadi. They can make it. Nah, itu bagian yang ini nih.
Oxygen, there'd be no way to breathe in space. But you'd also need a way to create more oxygen to take with
Nah,
you.
create more
Astronauts
oxygen.
today bring their own oxygen or create it from water using a process called water electrolysis.
Nah, water electrolysis. So that is the process. Okay, nice try, Tara. Thank you very much. Okay, last for number two. Who wants to try? Jawabannya ada 4 ya ini. For number two. We have 4 for the answer. Who wants to try? Shasha or Ilham? Atau siapa nih? Shasha, you want to try?
Yeah,
Okay, please, number two.
what do they need protection from? I think solar radiation,
Solar radiation. Okay, that's good. Any else?
um, low temperature,
Low temperature, and then
high temperature,
high temperature. And the last?
lack of air pressure. What does it
Okay,
mean, Kak?
that's okay, lack of air pressure. Artinya gitu?
Ya,
Oke, jadi ada low temperature atau adalah suhu rendah ya. Jadi perlindungan dari suhu rendah. Terus kalau high temperature berarti adalah dari suhu yang tinggi. Jadi kalau low rendah, kalau high tinggi ya. Terus kita punya yang lack of air pressure. Jadi kurangnya tekanan udara. Jadi kalau tekanan udaranya kurang itu bahaya. And kalau high air pressure itu berarti tekanan udara yang tinggi. Tekanan udara yang tinggi ya. And then the last radiation, solar radiation itu tadi radiasi matahari. Oke, do you get it, Sasha?
thank you, Kak.
Okay, anytime. Okay, so that is about this part. Good job. Okay, nice try for trying this part. And then now we will have, I will give you this. Okay, so we will have this. Now, here we have this. The verb have or have got expresses possession. It used with the noun. I have got a dog. The dog belongs to me. Jadi, aku punya seekor anjing. She has some free time. Dia punya waktu luang. He has got a lot of homework. Dia mempunyai PR yang banyak banget. Nah, di sini kita akan membedakan perbedaan dari have or have got. Jadi adalah untuk kepemilikan atau yang dipunyai. Jadi I have got a dog. Aku mempunyai seekor anjing. She has some free time. Dia mempunyai waktu luang, beberapa waktu luang. He has got a lot of homework. Dia mempunyai PR yang sangat banyak. Nah, itu tadi kalau have got. Jadi disertai sama noun. Nounnya ada ini noun, dog, free time, and homework. Nah, ini nounnya. Lalu ada the verb have to is used with other verbs and expresses a duty or obligation. It means the same as the verb need. Nah, di sini have to tuh artinya adalah seharusnya atau harus. Astronauts have to be healthy. Jadi bisa astronauts need to be healthy. Jadi astronot seharusnya sehat. Jadi seorang astronot tuh seharusnya sehat ya, nggak boleh sakit. Lalu ada juga nih, an astronaut has to train for a long time. Seorang astronot seharusnya dilatih dalam periode waktu yang lama. And then we have these questions and negative sentences use the helping verb do or does and did. For example, an astronaut doesn't have to be a pilot. Jadi seorang astronot tidak harus menjadi seorang pilot. Lalu ada, do astronauts have to wear spacesuits all the time? No, they don't. Jadi apakah seorang astronot seharusnya memakai pakaian luar angkasa sepanjang waktu? No, they don't. Tidak, mereka tidak. Jadi ada waktunya mereka tidak harus memakai pakaian luar angkasa. Okay, so there is the difference between have plus have got atau dan juga have to. Okay, so do you get it? Shasha, Tara, Nisha, Ilham, do you understand? Oke, gimana Shasha, Tara, Nisha, Ilham? Kira-kira ada yang paham? Oke, kalau ada misalkan pertanyaan boleh banget untuk ditanyakan for this part. So there is the difference between have got, and have to. Jadi kalau have got ini expresses possession, kepemilikan. Jadi memiliki sesuatu. I have got a dog, aku punya seekor anjing. Kalau ada have to, itu seharusnya atau harus. Astronauts need to be healthy. Astronaut membutuhkan atau harus sehat. Okay, so that is about this part. Then, now, we will try to do this. Oke, sekarang kita akan mencoba untuk bermain dengan Kahoot ya. Kita akan mencoba Kahoot. Kalau kemarin kita udah mencoba quizzes, so this time we will try to do with Kahoot. Kita akan mencoba pakai Kahoot ya. Oke, so everyone, can you try Kahoot? Bisa coba Kahoot nggak? Sasha, Nisha, Tara, Ilham?
Ya.
Ya. Oke, Ilham gimana?
Ya,
Okay, now I will send the link to the group. And send linknya di grup ya. Wait, let me reset screen for the link. Okay, so I will choose mode for modenya yang apa nih enaknya? Cosmic Cosmic Conquest. So around 7 minutes, 7 menit aja ya kira-kira. Try for free. Wait, get ready to join. Wait, loading game pin. Sabar ya, kita menunggu loadingnya. Oke, so we will have two teams. Kita atau sendiri-sendiri ya. Sendiri-sendiri aja nih. We have sendiri-sendiri aja nih. Oke, if you want to try, boleh banget untuk ini ya, scan QR-nya ya. Atau bisa game pin-nya. Game pin-nya akan saya share di grup nih. Ternyata linknya wait. Salah. Oke, you can join by pin or QR ya, boleh banget join. Nah, linknya ini ya, coba dicoba untuk login. Sebentar ya, masih loading. The internet connection is a little bit slow. Oke, you can check the group ya, boleh cek grupnya ya. Oke, udah ada semua nih. Ilham, Tara, Sasha, kurang Nisha ya. Oke, Nisha udah aja. Udah ada semua ya. Ada tim Koala Tara, tim Penguin Ilham, tim Dragon Sasha, tim Panda Nisha. Oke, sudah semuanya ya. Oke, now we will try to do this. Jadi nanti akan ada beberapa pertanyaan, lalu kalian jawab dan kalian akan menyusun sebuah bangunan. Oke, we will try to start it now. Nah, get ready with your team to build the tallest tower. So you will build tower. Kalian akan membangun sebuah tower ya. Next year, answer the questions correctly to get building blocks. Jadi jawab pertanyaannya dengan benar untuk mendapatkan bangunan blocks-nya. Next, drop the blocks to build as many floors as you can. Nanti selama 7 menit kalian akan mencoba membangun. Nanti bakal kelihatan siapa yang paling tinggi nih. And next, stack blocks up to the bonus for a power up. Okay, let's try. Okay, silakan dicoba. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, you can try it now. Bisa langsung dikerjakan ya, in your phone. Oke, Nisha udah mulai nih. Oke. Good. Semangat semuanya. Oke. Oke. Oke, we will do this for 7 minutes. Kita akan melakukannya selama 7 menit ya. Oke, that is time's up. Oke, waktunya sudah habis. Oke, nice try. Oke, thank you very much for trying this part. Okay, so we have 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and 1. Okay, continuing Kohala Dragon, the first team Panda. Okay, nice try. Thank you very much everyone for trying this. Okay, so that is about this ya. So that is for Kahoot this part. Okay, udah ada nih for this part. Okay, nice try everyone. Thank you very much for trying this. Nah, udah ada tadi untuk bagian ini. So that is the quiz between about have to and have. Jadi tadi have, has, kayak gitu. Okay, I will wait for this. Okay, let's back to the material. Nah, kita akan kembali ke wait, sound. Okay, next I will give you the explanation more here. So, jadi di sini ada have got. Oke, jangan lupa ya, ada yang agak keliru nih. Jadi kalau have itu pasti buat subjeknya I, you, we, they, dua orang atau lebih, itu pakainya adalah have. Jadi pakainya have. Kalau sedangkan she, he, it, dan satu orang, itu pakainya adalah has. She has, he has, it has, you have, I have, we have, they have. Dua orang atau lebih. Kayak Ilham and Shasha have, kayak gitu. Kalau satu orang, Tara has, Nisha has, kayak gitu for the example. Jangan lupa ya, kalau penggunanya tetap ini ya. Wait. Oke, for this. Jadi sama aja nih kedua-duanya. Jadi kalau I have, kayak gini. She has, kayak gitu. He has, kayak an astronaut kan cuma satu. Seorang astronot has to, nah has to karena dia cuma satu. An astronaut has to train for a long time. Jadi seorang astronot seharusnya dilatih for a long time. Jadi waktu yang sangat lama. Nah kalau ini astronauts, jadi astronot lebih dari satu nih karena astronotnya lebih dari satu ada S-nya. Astronauts, jadi kalau lebih dari satu tambah S, jadi have. Astronauts have to be healthy. Astronauts seharusnya sehat. Oke, jadi the difference between have and has. Jadi bedanya have sama has itu tadi ya. Dan juga jangan lupa ya, kalau have plus noun itu berarti dia mempunyai sesuatu. She has some free time. Jadi ini sebuah noun, free time. Lalu homework, ini juga noun. Nah, kalau have to selanjutnya adalah kata kerja, ada train, ada be, ini bentuk to be-nya. Terus ada juga, ini ada be juga di sini, ada where. Nah, ini suatu kata kerja. Jadi harus pasti have to. Jadi have to diikuti verb, other verb. Jadi that is for this part. Oke, Ilham, Shasha, Tara, do you have any question? Ada pertanyaan for this part?
No.
No? Ilham, Tara, Nisha, ada pertanyaan? No? Okay, that's good. Nice try, everyone. So that is about this material about have got, and have to. Next, we will try to do this. Kita selanjutnya akan mencoba untuk melakukan this. Pada bagian ini. Tadi kan udah waktu di quiz nih. Sekarang kita akan yang ada di modulnya ini. For this in the module. So we have this. Complete the sentences with have or have to, has or has to. So we have number 1, 2, 3. Karena ada 4 anak, jadi ini nanti akan dibagi nih. So, ini buat sendiri, ini buat sendiri, dan ini nanti 2 dan satunya 1 aja nih. Jadi biar 4. Ada yang 1. Oke, yang 1 nih bonus nih. Siapa yang mau coba nih? Oke, if you want to try to do this, you can raise your hand. Kalau ada yang mau mencoba untuk mengerjakan bagian ini, boleh banget. You can raise your hand. The divers blah 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 very little oxygen. They blah 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 leave the cave quickly. The case blah 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 little experience. She blah 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 for at least 2 years in the field of she studied. The candidates for astronauts blah 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 train for a long time. They blah 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 learn how to float in space, how to move in a spacesuit, and how to repair things. When they are in the space station, they blah 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 a lot of tasks to do. Okay, now if you want to try, you can raise your hand. Ada yang mau coba duluan di sini? Ada 4 bagian nih. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oke, siapa yang mau mencoba? Who wants to try? If you want to try, you can say it. Sasha, you want to try?
Yeah.
Okay, number 1, 2, 3, or 5.
Number
1, 2,
1.
3, or 4. Number 1?
Yeah.
Okay, please, number 1.
The divers have very little oxygen. They have to leave the cave quickly.
Okay, that's good. The divers have. Nah, benar banget. Jawabannya adalah have. Kenapa have? Karena di sini noun little oxygen. Jadi penyelam mempunyai sangat sedikit oksigen. They have to. Mereka harus. Mereka harus leave the cave quickly. Mereka harus meninggalkan gua secepatnya. Next, siapa lagi yang mau coba untuk selanjutnya? Number 2, 3, or 4. Maaf ya, agak sedikit batuk. How about Ilham? You wanna try Ilham?
Yes.
Okay, what's number?
Number 3.
Number 3. Okay, please.
Candidates for astronauts have to train for a long time. They have learned
How to float in space. Okay, that's good. The candidates for astronauts, gimana tadi?
have to
Have to. Okay, that's good. Have to train for a long time. They
have
have, only have, or have to.
um,
Setelahnya
they have
ada learn. Learn itu kata kerja, kata sifat, atau kata benda, Ilham.
learn artinya apa?
Learn itu kira-kira apa nih artinya learn? I learn English. Learn berarti artinya
Hmm,
mempelajari. Nah, berarti learn itu kata apa? Kata benda, sifat, atau kerja?
kata kerja.
Kata kerja. Berarti harusnya have atau has.
Have to.
Have atau have to.
Have to.
Have to. Okay, that's correct. Have to. Okay, that's good. So that's my number 3. Candidates for astronauts have to train for a long time. They have to learn how to float in space, how to move in space, and how to repair things. Okay, that's good, Ilham. Okay, next.
Tara,
Tara, number 2 or 4?
number 2.
Number 2, okay, please.
The chemist has too little experience. She has to work for at least 2 years in the field she studied.
Okay, the chemist has to or has?
Has to.
Has to. Oke, di sini ada little experience. Kita kira little experience nih kata kerja atau kata benda atau kata sifat.
Kata
Experience. Experience tuh artinya apa, Tara?
pengalaman.
Pengalaman.
Ya,
Berarti pengalaman itu kata kerja atau kata benda?
kata kerja.
Kata kerja. Kalau kata kerja itu mengalami. Kalau pengalaman berarti
Kata benda.
nah, kata benda berarti experience itu gimana?
Has.
Has. Oke. Jadi gimana bacanya tadi?
The chemist has little experience.
Oke, the chemist, biasanya chemist ya, kayak chemistry tadi. Jadi, the chemist has little experience. Has, mempunyai sedikit percobaan. Lalu, selanjutnya, she,
Has to.
oke, has to. Oke, that's correct. Has to. Karena selanjutnya ada work. Work ini adalah kata kerja. Has to work for at least 2 years in the field she studied. Oke, nice try, Tara. Thank you very much, Tara. Okay, next after Tara, we will have Nisha, number 4. Okay, number 4, start from when? When this Tara? Nisha.
When they are in space station, they have a lot of tasks to do.
Okay, the answer is have. Okay, that's correct. They have a lot of tasks to do. Mereka mempunyai banyak pekerjaan untuk dilakukan. Okay, that's great, Nisha. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much everyone for trying this. So that is about the first. The divers have very little oxygen. They have to leave the cave quickly. Jangan lupa ya. Kalau have itu diikuti dengan bentar. Jadi kalau have atau has itu diikuti dengan noun ya, kepemilikan biasanya. Jadi mereka memiliki sedikit oksigen. Kemis mempunyai sedikit pengalaman atau pengalaman experience. Lalu, lalu ada have to. Kalau has to itu pasti yang ada kata kerjanya. Di sini ada live, ada work juga. Jadi ini kata kerja. Dan juga kata kerjanya itu pas pakai verb pair ya, atau verb satu nih. Oke. Live, verb. Jadi nggak perlu ditambah SES. Jadi bukan lives atau works, tapi tetap live dan work here. Oke, from here, do you have any question? Ada pertanyaan? Nisha, Shasha, Ilham, Tara?
No.
No? Okay, that's good. So that is about our material today. Wait, so the next. Okay, next we will continue to the next material kita ke depannya. Untuk besok Senin akan ada materi lainnya. Okay, so that is about this part and astronauts. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, now let me end the recording.